Every time you constantly don't do something that you said you were gonna do, your brain starts collecting evidence that your own word cannot be trusted. And that is the real damage. It's not the single workout that you missed or anything unfinished. It's the internal message that forms inside of you that you don't always follow through. You quit, and I can't depend on myself. And once that self-trust start weakening, the confidence weakens with it, because confidence is not built on motivation or hype speeches online. It's built from evidence. The tiny moments where you prove to yourself, I said I would do this and I did it. So when you consistently break promises to yourself, your discipline becomes harder. The procrastination increases. Your anxiety grows. Your avoidance grows. The shame grows. Then you start thinking, oh, I'm incapable of doing this. And that's because you don't believe yourself anymore. But here's the important part. Your self-trust can be built the same way that it was broken. Through repetition, like small promises that you keep consistently. I'll practice it once. I'll post today. I'll stretch for 5 minutes. I'll go for a walk. I'll drink my water. And then actually doing it. So the pathway to seek confidence is to repair the relationship that you have with yourself after all the abandoning of your own desires, your needs, your body, and your promises. And if you don't know where to start by going to City Hills LLC and downloading From She to Her Starter Kit. Start keeping your promises to yourself. You're only hurting yourself.